Hello little learners, welcome back. Today we're going to learn about singular and plural words. Now let's first think about what does singular and plural mean. Now the word singular, if we break it apart, we can see the word single. Now when we say the word single, it means one. So singular means one, plural means many. So, singular and plural words help us talk about one thing or more than one thing. We'll find out some examples today and we'll learn a lot more. So, are you ready? Let's begin. So, as we said before, when there is one, we say singular. When there is more than one, we say plural. Let's say it together. One means singular, more than one means plural. Let's look at some pictures. This picture shows one apple. This is singular. One apple. Wonderful. Now, in this picture, however, we can see three apples. This is plural because there is more than one. There is three. So instead of saying three apple, you'd say three apples. So you add an S at the end. Can you say three apples? Fantastic. Now, look at this picture. In this one, we can see one dog, so it's singular. In this picture, we can see two dogs. In this picture, we can see one book, so it's singular. In this picture, we can see three books, so it's plural. Most words become plural by adding S, like we said. So for example, for cat, the plural would be cats. For dog, it would be dogs. For ball, it would be balls. For book, it will be books. Can you say them? Good. Cats, dogs, balls, books. Wonderful. Sometimes we add ES, otherwise the sounds won't really make sense. Now for the word box, for the plural, we add ES. So we're going to say boxes as the plural. For bus, we do the same thing. We add an ES, so the plural would be buses. For dress, we're going to add an ES at the end, so we say dresses. Can you say them? Fantastic. Now let's play a game. I'll show you a word. You tell me if it's singular or plural. Dog. Singular. Great. Dogs. Plural. Excellent. Books. Plural. Fantastic. Boxes. Plural. Very good. And last one, fish. Singular. Very good. Now look at this picture. Okay, you can see one bird and two birds. Which one is singular? One bird. Which one is plural? Two birds. Excellent. Now, today we learned one means singular, more than one means plural. Most plural words end with S, some words end with ES. You did an amazing job today. Now you're becoming a grammar superstar. Now keep practicing them, as I said. Thank you for learning with me today. See you next time for another fun grammar lesson. Bye bye, little learners.